We are at a new listing in Hickory Creek, which is in Lake Dallas, north of Lake Louisville. And I can't wait to show you this new home. It was just built in 2020. So come on in and take a look. If you love entertaining, maybe you have a big family or you like to have guests over, look at this kitchen. Not only is it beautifully updated, but it's very open to where you can cook and serve and entertain all in one. This home has over 2,700 square feet with 4 bedrooms, a study, and a formal dining, which could be used as a second study for those who work from home. Also, what's really great is one of the bedrooms up at the front has an ensuite. So if you have a mother-in-law or you need a guest bedroom, it's very conducive for that purpose. It also has 3-car garage. One of my favorite things about this house is the lot that it sits on. Not only is it 80 feet wide, which is a large lot, by the way, the largest in the subdivision, but it also has a great view out the back patio. No one is behind there. It has trees, and it's just a very peaceful, serene environment.